Hey, check it out, homies. That van passed a few times already, yes, say I don't trust them fools, yes, man, fuck that shit. Check this out, homies. It's the third time that blue minivan tried to pass. If they bust up, you get down, cause I'm about to blast. Cause I know them fools ain't homies, and I don't give a man. Fuck them fools, gonna get to know me. Soy little silent from the ghetto gang. Click, click. Fuck them fools, bang, bang. Windows start shattering, putos start ducking. This is our barrio, and we don't give a fuck. And hit the driver of the van, speeds, then it crashes. One fool gets off and runs with just a few scratches. I aim to his back, shot one time. Hits the ground faster than the drop of a dime. I knew it, them fools were enemies all along. A 187 case, I'll catch if I don't run. All kinds of police swooping up at the spot, but I already busted a ghost with the quickness out the blind. To the ghetto boys putting in work. To the gang dropping boots on the dirt. Because we ain't no levas like you. Bow down to the little locos, pica fool. I creep all putos, then I blast. Chicos locos pulling triggers, shooting balas on their ass. Up in the boulevard known as Adam. See some putos roll by and throw the Jeep at them. And if they flip off, I take off and chip them fools down. Make sure them levas never come back around. Strap in my back, got a sack in my pocket. Blaze up the sack, grab the strap, then I pop it. Up in the air, got the neighbors all scared. Little locos jump up, grab your strap and get prepared. And let enemies know we don't fuck around. 16 hollow point rounds, gonna be the sound. But chop black and white, they're trying to be creeping. Crash motherfuckers, got little silent slipping. Stuck in the county, short time before a cuente. Before you know it, ese I'll be out de repente. Two little silent representing the G. To all the homies that are down with me. Because we ain't no levas like you. Bow down to the bottle, ghetto gangsters, fool. Well, it's that nightmare. Still sporting benzos with the little locos putting work on all you mensos. But watch out, homies might end up taking a ride to the LA County Jail, the home of the South Side. But no, we do it low, bro. We're putting it down for the barrio ghetto. Boys, 27th Street, little locote. So blaze up the leño and pass around the toque. As we roll around in the G right all around the ghetto. But the ghetto's worldwide, maxing and relaxing, ready for some action. Got a new taca, now you know I'ma be flashing. The ghetto, siempre por vida, nunca me voy. Forever gonna